No, which way?
Or do you want to go into this one? Like what?
Sun County.
Shit, open.
Can't. Found my wallpaper. Oh. Oh, there he is. Bit of a hard landing there, mate. That is a Delta 717, like some of the last ones. Oh, Delta 717. And we're about to see a United? Is that what it is? American. A318. Oh, 19. Yeah. Southwest 737-700 from Austin. Look at it. Busy day here on Friday. We got a 717. Seems to be a another one. It's about to land. Don't worry, I'll get it. Day here at Friday. You keep landing here, Southwest. I've seen you for the 7th time. I'm saying that's a bad thing. Woo! 717! West, you're stealing the spotlight over here. I'm about to name this video Southwest Plane Spotting. Have a good flight! Yeah, 737 MAX 7. Look at him go. Take off. MD-82, even though it's a 717, but no, that's an MD-82. Look at those eyebrows, super rare. Woo! Now I'll dedicate takeoff for your guys. There you go. Tail jet takeoff. Look at that. Oh, vertical. All right. You showing off? All right, Southwest, show it off. Show us off. Show us what you can do. Sorry to change the camera, but woo! That's 10 times better. There he is. About to hear a MAX 9. It has the door. Look at that CRJ. It's going pretty fast. Oh, we got a CRJ incoming! CRJ alert! CRJ alert! I don't know if you can see it, but I think I see some, Alaska action. Alaska action alert! Look at him. Hey, we're about to see him. Hope that has the door. Oh. Come on, Alaska. Enjoy your flight. Come on, Alaska! Yeah! Look at that! Since the sun's clear, I'll get the takeoff for y'all. There he goes. Make an edit with this, because That'll be fun, and I'll comment, I guess. There he goes. Thank you, son. This man's about to go to the heavens. Look at him go. Hopefully I don't miss no CRJs or anything. Look at him go. Enjoy your flight to Alaska. You know what this means? Are they arresting the pilots? I hope not. Oh, it's a follow me car. Oh. No, follow me cars are like, they use their sirens to like confuse pilots. Look at that. Why y'all being redirected? Probably the birds, but still. Look at that, CRJ. Oh, yeah, you popped. Yeah, where'd you come from, mate? Mate, where did you come from? All right, I'll shut up, don't worry. To the Speedster. I believe that's a CRJ 900. Correct me if I'm wrong. But I'm never wrong. There. Wes, you tricked me. You keep showing up. What is it? Come on. Butter it. Butter! Woo! Southwest butter over here! Type butter. Oh, what did the Southwest do? Butter police! Butter police is incoming. Butter police, no! It's the return we've all wanted? Is Delta coming back? Nope. Embraer. There he goes. To the sunset. Guys, you're about to see my new wallpaper. Hold on. There he goes. This is gonna look good. Here we are, just chilling. I'm not going live because I don't want y'all pulling up to my location. That'd be bad. That'd be a big no-no. Confirm to you that a banana is coming. Trust me.
Banana the spirit?
Yeah. United A319. Hi, cop. Alright, I'm gonna have to edit some parts out like that. Woo! Sun's out, so no takeoff. Look at that. I got this for you guys. Is this not to serve a subscribe or what? Guys, I think I'm about to do this every day. Every weekend, probably. I don't know. Stay tuned for a full flight if that happens. Could, but I'm not telling you. Banana incoming! Banana incoming! We have a banana incoming. One Aviation. I know you're watching this. Banana incoming. Banana! My spirit! Don't lose your spirit. Banana! Banana plane. About to go in the sun, Spirit. You're about to disappear. Don't do it, bro. Oh. Oh, no, he's not. All right. To spoil anything for y'all, but I'll let you know this is one of my favorites are incoming. I'll just let you know that. Continental livery. For this very special plane, it's literally my profile picture. Oh, you'll see it. You'll see it. Trash. Trash. Get out of here. To see something owned by Republic Airways. That's all I'm gonna let you know. You can guess, but you'll probably get it wrong. Is it United? Maybe. Is it American? Maybe. Is it a Moss? No, it's not a... All right, guys. Bird spotting. Yep. Look at them. Bird spotting. Yay. Moth spotting. Everything spotting. Grass spotting. It's so long right now. Don't worry, I'm getting the Embraer. Oh shoot, I accidentally. It's fine. Right. Y'all are about to see it. Continental livery on the Embraer 120. Oh, about to roast me in the comments, I know. Look at that. Not the Continental Retro, but United Express. Woo! taking off because the sun. So many bugs landing on me. John, you have no idea how hard it is to plane spot. You hear this, but you hear those engines? Look at that. Ooh, Challenger 350. Oh, NetJets. Oh, hey, NetJets. Jets, where you going? Probably the NetJets. The light up there, that right there, is another Embraer. We're about to see it. Normal livery. Like, I don't know, 41 minutes. We might wrap it up because I'm gonna get an Air Canada flight landing. That's gonna be the final one. All right. As soon as you see Air Canada, expect the video to end. I would stay out here for as long as I can, but that don't happen. We got a plane landing. I cannot hold this thing straight.
Oh, there.
I'm gonna put this in slow-mo for y'all. No, I'll record a normal clip, but I'll copy it, I guess. And we're about to see him. United Embraer 120. Well, not 120, 190. That was a mid-landing at anything. A little hop there. All right. Y'all, I almost missed this. Look at him. Look at that. It's as close as I'll be able to get, but look at that. Did you hop? Don't hop. That is beautiful. This isn't really plane spotting, but it's cool. So yeah. Blood Sun. Love this. People are going to love this. Best quality so far. This ain't no game. This is flipping real life. Got Air Canada? Are we about to wrap it up, or is this just American or something? Delta? Oh, United. United A319. Coming in. What? Woo! Look at that roar. I can't even speak. Hold on. I'm about to. Truck. This is the best quality also. And there he is, Air Canada to wrap up the day. Oh! Wow! Thank you for watching, and tune in tomorrow and we'll be plane spotting again. See ya! Line. Back.